So for any law firm, migrations is a topic that is not really addressed very often because ideally the firm is not changing, a core component of their technology stack often. But when it does arise, it's something that requires a great level of planning and should be magnified in terms of the level of importance and the priority overall in the firm. Making sure that you take all of the data from your existing system and map it properly into the new system is critical, right? And it can set you up for a very productive and efficient next couple of years or major inefficiencies that plague you for the next several years. It is that critical. So you're our director of client services. You're directly responsible for performing migrations in many of these firms. One, how do you advise firms to prepare for data migrations? And two, what are the things that you typically look out for? What are those common pitfalls that firms can fall into to find that their technology rollout is stalled?
Exactly. Yeah. One major area I think firms really need to take into account is how much data are you going to bring in, right? Do you want to bring it all in? Does it make sense to bring it all in? Is it really going to bring any benefit to you to have it all in? We always drive this idea of one central for everything. Yes, when you're coming from nothing and going into a legal practice system, absolutely you want to have everything centralized. But at the end of the day, if it doesn't hurt you in a negative way to not have that data inside your legal practice system, why bring it in? Why introduce this complexity? One thing that I always try to tell clients is garbage in, garbage out. Let's minimize the amount of stuff that we don't need to have in there that's going to clutter up, it's going to cause issues down the road that we're going to have to go through and spend substantial time cleaning up before we even bring it in.